Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Realme X smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can add fingerprint in Realme X smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your Realme X smartphone and scroll down. Now click on fingerprint, face and passcode. Here choose fingerprint. Give the pattern for verification and click on add a fingerprint. Now place your finger on the in-display fingerprints shown here. Put your fingerprint multiple times. Follow the on-screen instructions in the display. Slightly vary the position of your finger each time. Click continue. Do it until it completes. Yes, it's done finally. You can also add more fingers using add a fingerprint again. This time use another finger. Avoid excessive finger offset. Place your finger properly. Slightly vary the position. Click continue. If you want to add more finger, again use add a fingerprint and this time use another finger. In this way you can add more fingers on your fingerprint scanner. You should carefully place your finger with no offset, with no duplicate. Yes, finished. Now check your fingerprint whether it's working or not. Yes, it's working very fine. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.